Hi guys, just had a few days rest over the bank holiday from programming the buttons, and now we're back to programming them. Just do a quick demo. First thing I'll do is I'll reset everything. I think I need to press that again. And there you go, setup initializing. You've seen all of this before, so won't run through it again. I'm not connected to the PCA 9685, which is on the main body, so the RGB won't light up, but you can see everything that's going on. And this is just a platform servo going down, platform servo going up, and systems on standby, and the count up and count down go. Once that's finished, we are in standby. So if I press this button now, it goes into editor and ready mode, and the grippers will go in. Once it gets in ready mode, I can start configuring. So if I press this button, it opens the configuration. If I press it again, it's going to orient the cube to the correct position so that it's upright, ready for selecting. I press it once more, hit the blue button for the method options. There are two different types of method. Pick a method. If I press it again, it does camera method. Press it again, it just toggles between pick a method and camera method. And if I hold it for about 5 seconds, I've still got to tweak the timing. It will select the currently toggled method. So there you go, there's a picker method. Then I can start actually running through all the faces and either use the picker or the camera, depending on what I selected. Then once I've done that, I'll hit the green button for finding an algorithm to solve the cube, hit the green button again, and it should solve the cube. So a little bit more coding for the next couple of days outside of my work hours.